Jai Gurudev students, welcome you all in the economics class. Students, today we will study this chapter price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand you are studying in the previous class also, and in that chapter you have studied what is price elasticity of demand and what are the different types of elasticity of demand, that is price elasticity, cross elasticity and income elasticity. So in this chapter you are studying about the price elasticity of demand, that is demand can be changed because of the change in own price of the commodity. जब किसी भी कमोडिटी के प्राइस में चेंज होने की वजह से अगर उसकी डिमांड में चेंज होता है, डिमांड मतलब कि अगर हम पहले जितनी भी गुड्स खरीद रहे थे अगर हम उससे ज़्यादा गुड्स खरीदें या उससे कम क्वांटिटी खरीदें तो वो कहलाता है हमारा चेंज इन डिमांड। और डिमांड में अगर चेंज हो रहा है तो उसे हम कहेंगे इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड। इलास्टिसिटी का मतलब फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, जिसमें कि चेंजेस पॉसिबल हो। जो चीज़ चेंज नहीं हो सकती वो फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं होती। तो इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड मीन्स जब अगर डिमांड में चेंजेस पॉसिबल हो तो इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड कहलाता है। उसके डिफरेंट रीजन है। यहाँ पर हम आपको प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड बता रहे हैं कि प्राइस के चेंज होने से डिमांड में जो चेंज होता है, बट कितना चेंज होता है, हाउ मच। दैट मीन्स you know that with the change in price the demand of the person also changes. Maybe the demand increases or demand decreases, but in what proportion, how much quantity it will be changes, that you can measure with the help of price elasticity of demand. And for measuring the price elasticity of demand, I have told you that there are two methods, proportionate or percentage. Either you can say there it is one method, but they both are reciprocal of each other. That is, either you can calculate the price elasticity by percentage or either you can calculate by proportionate. Both the methods should be reciprocal of each other, but the formula of both the methods are different. So if I'm asking you have to solve by proportionate method, so you have to solve by proportionate only. And if it is asked that calculate price elasticity by percentage method, so you have to calculate the percentage method. Proportionate method already I explained you. Proportionate methods also I have explained, but there are different methods to calculate the percentage method. So here today I am explaining you the other methods of calculating the price elasticity by percentage method. Means suppose a question is asked by different ways, so how you can calculate the price elasticity with the help of percentage method. So students, this is the question I am giving you, that the price of the commodity is rupees 10. This is the original price, means you can say that it is P. And when the price changes, the new price will be 8. Previously the price of the commodity is 10 और अब price कितना हो गया, 8 हो गया. So change in price is how much? This is -2. How you can calculate this change in price? This change in price is calculated by P1 minus P. P1 is 8 and minus P is 10. So this is -2. -2 is change in price. Change in quantity is not given, so you have to calculate the percentage change in quantity. Elasticity of demand is given here is 1.25. So in this question, elasticity of demand is given, so no need to calculate elasticity of demand. Percentage change in quantity you have to find out, and percentage change in price is also not given, but the price, initial price and the change price both are given. So you can easily calculate the percentage change in price. First of all, I'll tell you that how you can calculate the percentage change in price. Percentage change in price is calculated by P1 minus P upon P into 100. That is, P1 is how much? 8 minus 10 upon 10 into 100. This is -2 upon 10 into 100. So this is 20%. How much? This percentage change in price is -20%. And now I am solving the question that elasticity of demand by percentage method. The formula is percentage change in quantity upon percentage change in price. Means if percentage change in quantity is given, percentage in price, directly we have to put the values and then we can solve. But here in this question, elasticity of demand is given, that is 1.25, and percentage change in quantity is not given, so we can write as it is. And percentage change in price I have calculated, that is 20%. Now you have to calculate percentage change in quantity. So this percentage change in quantity will be coming this left hand side, and this percentage change in quantity will be calculated when these two values are given. So you should cross multiply this. That is 1.25 into 20%. So percentage change in quantity is how much? This is 25%. Now you can understand how you have calculated the percentage change in quantity. That is percentage change in prices, we have calculated 20% and the percentage change in quantity is 25%. And in this way अगर हमें elasticity calculate करना होता तो हम दोनों का percentage that is 25% divide by 20% अगर हम लेते तो आपका आंसर आ जाता 1.25. That is elasticity of demand. But in this question elasticity of demand is given, so you have to calculate what? We have to calculate the percentage change in quantity. The percentage change in quantity will be 25%. So understand student, this is the question of percentage method. Now I am explaining